Less than prosody rate equals fast, greater than hold on to your leotards and helmets, folks. Less than prosody greater than, because when we talk about absolute less than, emphasis level equals strong, greater than superstars, less than emphasis greater than, who redefine excellence, resilience, and pure grace. One name instantly springs to mind: Simone Biles. Less than break time equals 0.4s, greater than the GOAT? The queen of the mat? Absolutely. But guess what? Beyond tumbling into the record books, she's also celebrating a truly less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than sparkling, less than emphasis greater than personal win, less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than 3 incredible years of marriage with the fantastic Jonathan Owens. Now, this isn't just any power couple. This is a less than prosody rate equals fast, greater than dynamic duo, less than prosody greater than, whose love story has captured hearts faster than a Biles triple-double. Why? Because it's not about the flash, it's about the less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than unshakable support, less than emphasis greater than they genuinely dish out to each other. From day one, they've been an open book about how they lift each other up through every triumphant leap and every challenging landing. Imagine the pressure on Simone. Less than says interpret as equals interjection, greater than few, less than says greater than she's literally flying through the air with the weight of the world on her shoulders. And who's her steadfast anchor? Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than Jonathan Owens. He's been her constant cheerleader, her rock, her "you got this" whisper, both in the stadium spotlight and in those quiet, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than real life moments, less than emphasis greater than. Listen, maintaining a marriage when you're both elite athletes? That's harder than sticking a perfect landing after a dismount. Less than break time equals 0.3s, greater than, but Jonathan, a less than prosody pitch equals high, greater than total beast, less than prosody greater than in the NFL, gets it. That shared, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than ironclad discipline, less than emphasis greater than is their secret sauce, building a bond stronger than any defensive line. Whether it's cheering from the sidelines, celebrating victories, or offering comfort during those tough plays, their partnership reflects a deep, unspoken understanding of each other's incredible journeys. Beyond the romantic fireworks, these two are best friends, period. Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than its trust, its laughter, its shared values, the whole 9 yards. And yes, fate plays a less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than huge role, less than emphasis greater than, keeping them grounded amidst all the glitz and glam. They're not just building a life, they're constructing in less than prosody rate equals slow, greater than empire of togetherness, less than prosody greater than. 3 years in the public eye? That's like less than says interpret as equals interjection, greater than winning gold, less than says greater than in fans? They're absolutely obsessed with their chemistry, their authenticity, from glamorous red carpets to those sweet, candid, just us moments. They're proving that real love, it doesn't just survive the spotlight, it less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than thrives, less than emphasis greater than. Simone Biles, already a legend, now shows us something even more profound with Jonathan. Theirs is the ultimate modern love story. Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than partnership, resilience, and pure, unadulterated, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than joy, less than emphasis greater than. It's a mic drop moment reminding us, behind every individual superstar, there's often an equally amazing, supportive partner, making every win less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than double the celebration, less than emphasis greater than. So, 3 years down, and trust me, they're just warming up. Less than break time equals 0.3s, greater than Simone and Jonathan Owens? They're not just a couple, they're a less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than championship team, less than emphasis greater than scoring big in life, love, and purpose. Less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than. Here's to their ongoing journey, because this love story, it's nowhere near its final routine.